Hi guys, good morning. It's me, your WonderNurseDiaries. I'm here to show you my new purchase from Amazon, the Deerma vacuum cleaner. So it says here that it has continuous large suction that can take away the dust. It is great at picking up fine dust rapidly and flexibly for each corner. It is effective storing the dust net backflow to give you a clean living area. So actually, when I was eyeing this one like 2 months ago, it was 154 dirhams if I'm not mistaken. So then it came to my notification that it's on sale. Now currently I purchased it at 117 dirhams. So it's a good deal though, and yeah, we'll give it a try. I'll update you after the trial. Thank you for watching.